Hello everybody, and welcome to the first video of our Volkswagen rebuild. We just barely got this 1973 Volkswagen Super Beetle. We were only able to drive it home with first and third gear, and we were glad that we made it home. Now we're going to show you around the car. Alright, so here we have our new Volkswagen Super Beetle, and we're going to show you around the car and show you everything it has, all its cool features. Here is the inside of the trunk. This is where the spare tire will go. This is our gas tank right under here. Alright there. We're probably gonna have to redo the gas line sometime. And yeah, so let's continue on over here. It's a nice build. Here we're going to show you the engine. It still runs, and we will show you guys that later in the video. But like I said, we're going to need to redo the gas line. And we also might have to redo the transmission on here. But we are very excited about this car and to fix it all up. Now we're going to show you the inside.
Ready?
Yeah.
You just tell me when.
Go ahead. So here's the inside here. It's got nice red seats. Here is the back. I'll show you that first. This whole entire car was all redone and rebuilt, including the engine a while back. It's got about 6,800 miles on it. Here's the shifter. We only have first and third gear. But all in all, it's a nice car in here, and we're all very excited to fix this all up. And make sure to stay tuned, and we'll see you guys in the next video.